Hello and welcome to the online classes for grade 11 computer science and chapter number 5 getting started with Python. Now we are starting with debugging and we are studying the different type of errors that come up in debugging. Now we will learn about logical errors. What are logical errors and how are they different from syntax errors? Now let us understand this. A logical error is a bug in the program that causes it to behave incorrectly. Okay? Now we know that in debugging, the errors and mistakes that we face are called bug. Okay? So a logical error is a bug in the program that causes it to behave incorrectly. Now you see, let us understand what is the meaning of behave incorrectly. This means you can put in your code, you can run the program, it will run and it will display a result. But the result is not what we require. The result is correct but incorrect. That means that according to the code, there is a mistake but yet there will be a result. So let us read and understand. A logical error produces an undesired output but without abrupt termination of the execution of the program. So you see, the program will run and execute and produce a result. It is not going to suddenly stop. In syntax errors, we saw that there is a mistake, so the program will not run. It will stop. But in logical errors, it is not going to stop. It will produce a result, even if it is wrong. Since the program interprets successfully even when logical errors are present in it, it is sometimes difficult to identify these errors. Okay, so you see, once a program is running, it is executing and it has produced a result. So it is not easy for us to find out what the error is. The only evidence to the existence of logical errors is the wrong output. While working backwards from the output of the program, one can identify what went wrong. So if we actually want to be sure that yes, there is a logical error, it is only from the output that we get. Because when we observe that the code I put was 2 plus 3, which is equals to 6, but the output I am getting is 7. That is only when we can understand that yes, there is a mistake. So how do we know about the mistake? We can start identifying backwards. We can start studying the code from the end towards up. Now look at this example. For example, we wish to find the average of two numbers 10 and 12. Okay, so how do we find average? We add 10 and 12 and then divide it by 2. So the code we have written will be 10 plus 12 upon 2. So it would run successfully and produce the result 16. Why will it be 16? Because 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 10 plus 6 is 16. But 16 is not the average of 10 and 12. Okay, so you see, there is a code and the code has been executed and the result has been produced. Now we have seen the result, which is the output, that it is wrong. So now we go back and check our code. Now you see, there were no brackets here. So without brackets, the answer is 16. So what we do here is we put these two brackets here. Okay, now when we put the brackets and then we run the program, then our output is 11 and that is correct. Okay, 10 plus 12, 22. 22 divided by 2, which is 11. So 11 is the correct answer, which is the average of 10 and 12. So logical errors are in this type. Okay, यहाँ पर हमने brackets नहीं लगाए, इसलिए ये run तो हो गया, result भी आ गया, लेकिन result wrong आया है. Okay, तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि yes, logical error है. So logical error जब होता है तो program रुकता नहीं है, run करता है, output भी देता है, चाहे वो गलत हो. That is logical errors. लेकिन जो syntax error होता है, जैसे ही उसमें कोई mistake होती है, error होता है, वो रुक जाता है, वो execute नहीं होता. Okay?